YouTube, man, what up, man? It's your boy Hemi Meets, and I am back again with another video for you guys. I ain't gonna do too much talking. Basically, it's gonna be a small POV, but let me get right into the video and get y'all a cold start to start it off. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Like I said, I ain't gonna do too much talking. It's gonna be some highway POV, it's gonna be some road POV, and basically just gonna be a little POV for y'all. We're gonna do sunroof closed, and I will do sport, and I will do sport mode. I'll do the gauges. I'm gonna let the car go ahead and warm up, and then I'm gonna pick the camera back up. Alright, YouTube, we got the car all warmed up. Like I said, I ain't gonna do too much talking, especially when we get to the highway. I ain't gonna do too much talking. Just gonna be basically a lot of POV, a lot of pulls, a lot of, you know, downshifts, all that good stuff that y'all like. I'm just trying to get the people what they ask, what my subscribers are, what my family is asking for, basically. You know, I'm just trying to get y'all the content that y'all want. Y'all want to see the 300, so, and more POV. So here y'all go. I got it for y'all. Like I said, once I get to the highway, I'm not gonna do too much talking. But if y'all new to the channel, this is my 13 Chrysler 300C all-wheel drive Hemi. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment. Make sure y'all turn on that post bell notification so y'all don't miss a drop. Also, I'm shooting for 10K subscribers, hopefully by the end of this year, because like I said, it's been going pretty good. But give me the 10K subscribers, and I promise y'all I'm bringing the SRT Jeep to the channel, bro. So make sure y'all, you know, like the video. Make sure y'all like the video. Like the video. Make sure y'all, and then like I said, I always love my comment section. I'm always looking at my comments. Make sure y'all comment. Make sure y'all like. Turn on that post notification, and make sure y'all, you know, watch the video, or you know, watch the video a decent amount through. You feel me? And I'm gonna try my best to bring y'all this content, and I'm pretty sure I don't want y'all sitting at the light, so I'm gonna try to hurry up and skip. All right, y'all, we are back. I ain't want y'all to have to sit through that light, but the highway is almost here. Like I said, I'm gonna give y'all some highway POV pulls. Also, let me know if y'all want some nighttime POVs, if y'all want to see more of night POVs. Hopefully I can get through this without tearing up my fucking car. I know if that Jeep can, I can get through the... Alright, I'm in the... That bitch could have scooted up some more, man. I be hating niggas like that. Could have definitely scooted up. Come on, y'all, let's not miss this light. Let me know if y'all hit crackles and pops. No burble tune, but a burble tune will be crazy on this thing, for real, for real. Burble tune with some flames, it will be crazy. Purple tone with some flames would be crazy, y'all, for real. Purple tone with some flames would be crazy. Yeah, they got that motherfucking Chevy Cruze Slam. All right, y'all. Sports mode. I'm gonna give y'all some pulls too. Fucked up ass, uppity down ass highway though. So y'all can see the highway very uppity downish. Diablo tune, man. Diablo tune, not an email tune, just a custom preloaded tunes that's already on there. But when I do the headers, I am going email tunes. I'm not gonna do dyno tune because it's harder because I got an all-wheel drive. So unless somebody know in the Illinois, Indiana, whatever area where I ain't gotta travel too far to get it dyno tune for it to, you know, do all-wheel drive. I mean, even though I can just do rear-wheel drive tune, but what fun is that? You feel me? To get over, but as y'all can see, picking up that motherfucker definitely reading like 410 horsepower. I don't know what the torque be saying. I don't ever pay attention to the torque. I only pay attention to like the horsepower. I don't know why. But temps is good. 180 thermostat, y'all. I'm telling y'all. Get y'all one. You keep these things cool. Pretty soon I got that, when the weather really get nice, I got that mod list video for y'all. As soon as I get my front bumper painted up, I definitely got that mod list coming for y'all soon, because I know a lot of people have been asking me about it. Mod list and just as far as everything. So I definitely got that coming for y'all. Just want to do a few more things to the car. Definitely get y'all one of those too. Most definitely. Also, comment down below, let me know what other videos y'all want to see. You know, let me know if y'all enjoying the content so far. Keep running it up for me. Best car I had, y'all. I'm telling y'all. $84,000 miles, y'all. 84,000 miles on this 300C. You don't catch them this low. You really don't. I'm gonna do a 1 year, since I missed my 1 year review since the car was in the shop. I'll definitely do a 1 year review on the car too. I'll also make that a separate video. There's a couple videos I can make. I got y'all. Just let me know down in the comment section if y'all want to see that type of stuff. I hope the camera picking up them pops, bro, them crackles. That was crazy. When you let off. Just imagine getting one of these, bro, and this being your view. Like, anything Mopar, this being your view, bro, this is... And then, again, I want to upgrade the, also still want to upgrade the, cluster again. But I wanted to find one that said 160, but the ones that go for 160, almost $300. Then the one that say 140, those are like $190 some dollars to $100, you feel me? So... But I'm so caught up on that motherfucker saying 160. But yeah, I don't know. We probably still gonna get it. We probably just gonna do the 141 because I mean, in all, it still look good. I'm not big on. I just like the look of it, but I don't see myself going 140, you know, or even, but it looked good though, I will say that. Let's see, we got a little bit of highway. That motherfucker still had, I believe it said 2 gears. I was only on gear 3. Don't get it confused with these fast-speed transmissions, bro. These motherfuckers is powerful. These motherfuckers, like, strong. Like, they so long, bro. Like, the transmission on the 5 speeds is so long. Like, even though you got the 8 speed, bitches banging through gears, but, like, with the 5, like, it's in a gear so long, bro. It's in the gear so long, bro. Like, for real. Like I said, y'all, sorry about my, you know, camera, especially like right here. But I really love using the 0.5. Like I was saying in my last videos, I am about to invest in an actual camera or a GoPro, either or. Probably the GoPro so I can have both hands, you know, on my steering wheel. So I'll probably do the GoPro for a head mount-ish. Head mount. Yeah, I don't know yet, like I said, but like I really wanted to use my 0.5. I know my 0.5 ain't the best or the clearest, but it's doable, you feel me? It's not bad, but yeah. Where we at on gas? Fuel economy at 220. I'm at 220. My average is 15.3. To vehicle speed. And for this to be a 13, like this cluster, like it's actually not bad. Like that's why I didn't mind switching back to it, even though because it's still not necessarily the way I wanted to close out this POV, but my camera don't have that much space. So I hope y'all enjoyed the POV that I gave y'all. I wanted it to be a little longer, but make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment. Turn on that post bell notification so y'all don't miss a drop. And I'll catch y'all in the next video, man. Peace.